Today we'll start next neckline. Okay, here the neckline is sweetheart. Okay, this is the sweetheart neckline and my ready shoulder is here 2.5 inches. I'm taking ready shoulder and neck deep is 7.5 inches. Okay, how to draft it and all, let's see. Draw one straight line. Two 2.5 inches is the neck width from the unfold side. This is equal to everyone. Shoulder divided by 2. From the unfold side only, shoulder divided by 2. 14 divided by 2, 7 inches and 1 inch down marking. From here 1 inch down marking, draw one straight line. Join these 2 points. Now armhole marking. For the armhole marking, chest divided by 6 plus 0.5 inches. Now the chest is 33 inches. 33 divided by 6 plus 0.5 inches. 6 inches. From 1 inch down marking, here how to mark 6 inches. Okay, already in before class we drafted same like this only, but the pattern is round shape. Now we are drafting sweetheart. Okay, draw one straight line. Now from here, from the unfold side, mark the chest round marking. For the chest round marking, chest plus 2 inches losing divided by 4, 8.75 inches. From the unfold side, we have to mark 8.75 inches. And 1 inch down marking. Now we have to use the shoulder minus chart. Okay, for the shoulder minus chart, we need 3 values. Already before class we discussed regarding the shoulder minus chart. Okay, we need 3 values: ready shoulder, neck pattern and neck deep. Now the ready shoulder is 2.5 inches. This chart we have to use, and neck pattern is sweetheart. Okay, this line we have to follow, and neck deep is 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches means this one. Okay, this column and this row. What is the merging value? Minus 2 inches. Okay, from where we should do minus? Okay, from the full shoulder we have to do minus. Okay, full shoulder is 14 inches. 14 minus 2 divided by 2. Full shoulder minus whatever the value we are getting, that should be divided by 2. 14 minus 2 divided by 2, 6 inches. Now from the unfold side, where we are getting 6 inches on the shoulder line, there we have to mark it. Same 6 inches here also we have to mark it. Now join these 2 points and draw one straight line. Here also draw one straight line. Next, for armhole marking, from here to here mark the center. Mark the center. And from here take 0.75 inches cross marking if your chest is less than 40, and 1 inch if your chest is greater than 40. Okay, next one is from this point. From this marking, take 0.25 inches inside for the front block. Now join from this point to this point. And take your arm curve. This is front arm. Now mark the center from here to here, center marking. From the center marking, take your neck deep as well as full length. Your neck deep is, my neck deep is 7.5 inches and full length plus 1 inch. Okay, full length is 14 inches. 14 plus 1, 15 inches. Draw one straight line here. This is the neck deep marking. Right here we have to draw straight line. Okay, now we have to mark the waist round. For the waist round marking, whatever the waist round is there, waist round plus 1 inch losing. Okay, here my waist round is 28 inches. 28 plus 1 inch divided by 4, 7.25 inches. From the arm fold side we have to mark 7.25 inches and 1 inch margin. Okay, join chest line and the waistline. Now we have to mark the ready shoulder. From here, from this point, whatever the ready shoulder is there, my ready shoulder is 2.5 inches. 2.5 plus 1 inch extra, 3.5 inches. From the arm, from here we have to mark, okay, from the arm side we have to mark 2.5 plus 1 inch. Now how much we are getting here? 2.5 inches. Whatever the value I am getting, I will add half inch extra. 2.5 plus half, 3 inches. If you want directly, you can take 2.5 also. Okay. Draw one straight line. Join these 2 points. Okay. Next we will mark the neck pattern. This is the sweetheart neck pattern. Now you have to check if your neck deep crosses the chest line. Then here we have to mark 0.25 inches and draw one straight line. 0.25 inches down and draw one straight line. Again from here 0.25 inches. Cross marking. This is for the shoulder slope. Join these two. Okay, this is for the sweetheart neck pattern. Before class we already see the round neck, how to draft it. This is the sweetheart neck. Let's see the cutting. Okay, next let's see how to stitch and all.